This training video is going to discuss how to spoil and replace an absentee ballot in SVRS. First, let's go over some details on issuing a replacement ballot to ensure the voter is not able to cast two votes. If the original ballot is in sent status, it may be spoiled at any time. It is not necessary to get the original materials back from the voter. If the original ballot is in accepted status and it is before 5 p.m., 7 days before Election Day, locate the original ballot and pull it from those to be counted before issuing a replacement. Store the original ballot in the spoiled ballot envelope. If the ballot is not at the same location that is issuing the replacement, wait for confirmation that the ballot has been pulled before issuing the replacement. If the original ballot is in accepted status and it is after 5 p.m., 7 days before Election Day, it is too late for the voter to spoil and replace their ballot. Inform the voter that their original ballot will be counted and do not issue a replacement. If the original ballot was issued by direct balloting, do not issue a replacement. The voter's original ballot has been counted. For the sake of this video, let's assume that we have determined we can spoil and replace the ballot. First thing to do is search for the voter's absentee ballot. We'll do that by going to the AB records. My voter's name is Ingrid Pano. Here they are. So we'll highlight the correct line and click Update Ballot. I'll highlight the ballot we wish to spoil. Click Update. In the status menu, change the status to spoiled or lost. Add your location to spoiled or lost location. For me, that is Hennepin County. For you, it will likely be different. If applicable, remove the dates and locations in receive date and accept date. I don't have those, so I'll move on and click Save. Confirm the ballot is spoiled or lost in status. Here it is, so I'm going to click Add. Confirm that the replacement ballot is checked. This should be automatic. I'm going to fill in my location and initialize the location. Again, mine is Hennepin County. Yours will be different. I'm going to click Save. Click Continue. You can see here that I now have one ballot in spoiled or lost and another initialized. Going to hit Submit Print Now. Print your labels and issue the replacement ballot to the voter.